Welcome to Biography of Carbs. Today we are thrilled to introduce the radiant Mia Anderson with her silk black hair and captivating black eyes. Mia knows how to command attention with every post. On Instagram, she shines as that Cocoboni official, sharing bold fashion choice, stunning photo shots, and empowering messages that celebrate confidence and self-love. Mia's content is a beautiful mix of style, beauty, and authenticity, inspiring her followers to embrace their curve and express themselves fearless. Her unique presence and engaging personality have helped Mia build a royal and growing community. Whether she is turning heads and glamours, outfit or offering glimpses into her personal lifestyle, Mia exudes confidence and charm with every post. Follow that Cocoboni official to join Mia's empowering journey. And don't forget to subscribe to Biography of Carbs for more inspiring stories about curvy influencers like Mia. See you next time.